Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best go-karts that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Hauck Batmobile Pedal Go-Kart. Hauck Batmobile Pedal Go-Kart offers children a fun way to explore their imagination while staying active indoors or outdoors. This ride-on vehicle is styled after the popular superhero theme, giving young fans of Gotham City a reason to get moving. Built to resemble the well-known Batcar, it adds excitement to everyday playtime while promoting exercise and coordination. This kart comes with race-style pedals that allow the child to manage speed by using leg movement. It encourages control and balance, which supports motor skill growth. The rubber wheels help the vehicle roll smoothly on different ground types, whether on home floors or outdoor paths. With an adjustable seat, it grows along with the user, making it useful for multiple stages of childhood. The frame size of 44 by 21 by 22 inches makes it suitable for younger riders between 4 and 8 years old. The compact body allows for easier handling without overwhelming the rider. It is also made using solid materials to stand up to regular use and playful driving, giving it value for long-term fun. With a superhero design, smooth rolling ability, and strong frame, this go-kart blends entertainment with movement. For parents looking to combine creativity and outdoor activity, this kart creates an enjoyable way for children to engage in physical play. Whether riding on pavement or inside the house, it delivers a mix of adventure and function shaped into a memorable vehicle for kids. In our list, the number 2 product name is FRP Baja-X 48V Brushless Electric Go-Kart. FRP Baja-X 48-volt 1000-watt brushless electric go-kart is designed for children who enjoy fast rides and outdoor fun. This vehicle supports young drivers with a smooth ride powered by a strong electric motor. With its ability to reach speeds up to 20 miles per hour, it gives a feeling of real racing while keeping comfort and balance during movement. The kart includes foot pedal control and foot brake function, allowing the user to operate the vehicle safely and with confidence. Built using high-tensile steel, the frame holds weight up to 175 pounds, making it suitable for older kids looking for more power and excitement. Its structure is balanced and stable, while the 4 pneumatic tires help absorb bumps and allow smooth rolling over flat or uneven ground. With both forward and reverse movement, it gives more freedom to explore different paths. The kart includes a parent control feature with 3 speed modes that can be adjusted for skill level. This makes it easier for children to learn and grow into the experience. Each mode can be locked in place with a key for added safety and guidance. Charging time is recommended between 6 to 8 hours, and monthly charging is suggested even when not in use. For young drivers interested in racing-style adventures, this electric go-kart creates a fun way to explore. Its strong structure, speed control, and smart design offer an exciting choice for off-screen entertainment and learning active motor skills. In our list, the number 3 product name is Razor Crazy Kart Shift Drifting Go-Kart. Razor Crazy Kart Shift 12-volt electric drifting go-kart is built for young riders who want to enjoy smooth spins and fun movement across flat surfaces. This vehicle is made for children aged 6 and older, with a focus on control and safe drifting. Its simplified drift system allows the rear to slide easily during turns while both hands remain on the steering wheel, helping the rider stay focused and balanced. The go-kart uses a 1-to-1 steering ratio, which improves the way the wheel responds during quick turns. This gives the rider better handling, especially while drifting. The fixed incline of the rear caster wheels adds balance between motion and drift, supporting playful rides without losing control. It offers young users a way to feel like real racers while staying safe on solid ground. This ride-on uses a 12-volt sealed lead-acid battery that provides enough power for outdoor use. The battery can be charged and does not need to be replaced often when used with care. It also runs on a power core hub motor, which does not require chains or sprockets. This design removes the need for common parts that often need repair or maintenance, making the go-kart easier to manage. Razor Crazy Kart Shift supports up to 120 pounds, offering younger children a stable and exciting ride. It creates a way for kids to explore fun driving and controlled drifting in open, safe areas, away from traffic or sharp obstacles. In our list, the number 4 product name is Rollplay Flex Kart 6V Electric Go-Kart. Rollplay Flex Kart 6-volt electric go-kart is made for children between 2 and 5 years old who enjoy fun and safe riding experiences. This lightweight vehicle runs with a simple push-start system, allowing little riders to begin their journey with ease. Designed with compact storage in mind, it includes a folding system where the front wheels pull in smoothly after pressing a safety button, making it easier for families to carry or store the cart without taking up much space. The go-kart can reach up to 2 miles per hour, offering a slow and steady pace suitable for young users. The quiet and smooth movement helps build early confidence in riding while encouraging children to explore safe outdoor environments. With a sleek style and a simple body frame, the design allows comfortable riding whether at home or in an open play area. It folds down into a compact shape for travel or storage, measuring just over 30 inches in length and less than 11 inches in height when closed. While opened, it provides enough room for one child, supporting up to 55 pounds in weight. Rollplay has created. In our list, the number 5 product name is Radio Flyer Ultimate Go-Kart. Radio Flyer Ultimate Go-Kart 24-volt outdoor ride-on toy is made for children between 3 and 8 years old. This kart brings fun to outdoor play by offering adjustable seating and structured motion, helping young riders enjoy movement while learning basic control. With rubber grip on the front wheels and smooth rear tires, children can make turns while riding in open play spaces. The kart body is made with a strong steel frame designed to handle frequent use and active play outside. It comes with different forward motion settings to allow speed range suitable for beginners or confident riders. There is also a reverse mode that helps children learn simple direction switching. Parents can manage safety using a speed control feature that adjusts the pace based on the child's comfort. Extra care is supported through the use of a seat belt and a colorful flag placed at the back for visibility during outdoor play. The go-kart adjusts as your child grows with the help of its moving seat, making it suitable for multiple ages and sizes. Its design supports up to 81 pounds in weight and remains stable during turns or starts. Riding this kart can help improve balance, focus, and coordination for young learners. Radio Flyer has made an engaging outdoor ride that introduces early driving motion while supporting safe exploration. It fits well for families who want to provide physical activity in outdoor spaces such as yards or parks while keeping it simple to control. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.